Dear students, today we will learn about chapter 8 and this is for class 6. Okay, so this chapter name 8 and the topic name is Love Your Elders. Love your elders. How to respect your elders. And you should respect your elders. There are certain things that the writer will definitely tell us in and through this passage. Now, Love Your Elders is written by मुंशी प्रेमचंद. तो मुंशी प्रेमचंद एक बहुत ही फेमस राइटर है. इज अ ग्रेट राइटर, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस राइटर वी हैव. ओके, सर लव योर एल्डर्स में दो कैरेक्टर बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. एक है जुमान शेख और दूसरा है आलगू चौधरी. ये दोनों फ्रेंड टोटल कैरेक्टर को एकदम स्टोरी में जस्ट राइटर नरेटर मुंशी प्रेमचंद will explain in details. Just love your elders. Okay, so these two friends were in a village. Who? दो कैरेक्टर जुमान शेख and algu चौधरी. Now they were in the village, and in the village they were also respected very well. Okay, and they loved each other, they helped each other, they respected each other. Now this Juman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury, okay, whenever one of the friends were missing from the village, another friends were inactive to help the people of the village. So when Algu was absent in the village, Juman used to take care. When Juman was absent in the village, Algu used to take care of the people of the village. They used to always help them. Now the story comes in a certain turn that Juman al Sheikh also had a aunt. Okay, this aunt has some property. This aunt had some property. Okay, now aunt was old. Okay, so aunt told Juman that I have some property I want to give. So Juman also promised, okay, in for your property I will look after you. Means Juman will look after aunt, okay, for lifetime. As long as she lives, survives on this earth, Juman will take care of the aunt. Okay, so aunt has transferred the property to Juman Sheikh. It went just couple of years. Okay, after a few days, aunt noticed the behavior of Juman's wife. Okay, and the behavior was not good. Behavior was not good. Okay, how? This Juman's wife was not giving proper food to aunt. Okay, not taking care properly. So aunt wanted to talk with Juman regarding this case. Okay, so aunt told Juman, see Juman, I am not satisfied, not happy with the behavior of your wife. So give me a monthly allowance. I will have a separate kitchen. I'll have a separate kitchen. Give me the monthly allowance. Means monthly a certain amount of money. Certain amount of money given is a monthly way. So Juman said, "Don't worry, my wife knows how to run the family." Okay, just ignored it. Then the same behavior Juman's wife was doing with this old lady. So old lady thought of to go to the panchayat because it is in the village. So went to village panchayat, and that same evening they sat under a banyan tree. Okay, under a banyan tree. Okay, and there the meeting started regarding this case. So they said the voice of Panch. Panch means what? The member of the panchayat. The member of the panchayat. Okay. So voice of the panchayat is the voice of God. Okay. So the old lady aunt choose Algu to decide about this case, and that decision would be the voice of God, the inner decision. So after listening everything, okay, Algu said, "See, I am your friend, but at this point of judgment, decision I will take from my heart only, and that will be the right decision, and that will be accepted by all." Okay, then what they did? Okay, he listened to everyone, both aunt and Juman, and then what happened? It was finalized and decision was taken by Algu, the panch of the village panchayat, that they should provide the aunt monthly allowance, okay, or else they should return her property. Okay, and Algu was very happy of his own decision, and that was the right decision. That was the right decision that was taken by the Panch Algu. Okay, and when this was taken, everyone was happy except Juman Sheikh. Juman Sheikh got angry. So Juman got angry with Algu and wanted to take the revenge. But Algu was happy and he knows how to respect the elders. So never ever ignore any elder person. Always respect the elders and never ignore or neglect them. Okay, many more videos will be given on this topic. Stay connected with the YouTube channel. Thank you.